14th of February. Happy Valentine's Day. We're fixing to go for a hunt here. We got Dan Martin with us, who's hunted several times before. He's from Tennessee. There's Bob, and that is his brother Bobby's dog Bree. And we haven't hunted her in a while, but the last time we hunted her, she did really well, but she's not been in any kind of... All right, now we got down here in the woods. Bob is gonna come with Bree, and she hadn't been hunted now since last November, I think. So y'all be lenient and don't fuss at her too much. This dog is loved by a man named Dr. Bobby. It's his baby, so we got to be good to her like he's good to us. He's sick and couldn't come, so this hunt we're dedicating to Bobby. And Bobby, get well, man. Maybe we can go soon. This is our first bird. Okay, Dan, the bird's gonna go that way. Okay. So you kind of get over there. Now these are singles, so don't wait on me. I'm gonna kick it up. You ready? There he is. Ah, the bird. He's right in front of her, about 8 feet. To your right. All right, the way to go. 1 for 1, you can't beat it. Whoa. I tell you what, y'all, I got a moving picture. Let me get my phone. Whoa. And get a real picture for him. There you go, Dan. Get him now, buddy. Sorry, Dan. He's gonna fly. Whoa, whoa. She says, I pointed that bird 2 times.
That bird's right there in the edge of the road. Make her stand here. Whoa. See it, Sammy?
I don't, but I see it, yep. Dan, you see him? Yep. If he goes up over that hill now. Woohoo! Way to go! Good. Okay, we got another bird. Dan's gonna put it on him. And we're gonna see another hoodoo here. There he is, right up in front of her, Dan. See it? Pine straw. To your right. Right there. Good shot, Dan. Way to go. Whoa. Good.
That's right. Whoa.
Okay. Another bird here. Whoa. If he's still there, we're not sure. Oh, he's right in front. I see it. It's a big clump right there. Uh-huh. Good shot, Dan. That Dan is doing it. Oh, isn't she doing great? Got up the bird.
Whoa.
Now the nest is right down there, Bob.
I don't know if that...
I don't know.
I don't know.
Let's see what we can do up here.
Let her relocate?
Yeah.
That bird went a little ways, didn't
he? He's right there between those trees on the other, toward the field.
Go ahead. Go ahead.
I think.
Go ahead. Careful, careful. Careful. That's right. That's right.
You do?
Whoa.
Go on in there. Get him. Where'd he go? You hit him.
Yeah, I did. I hit him on the first shot.
Yeah.
Right in the field?
Yeah, I don't think he's flying anymore.
Okay.
He's just seeing, he's flipping around a little bit.
Whoop.
Yeah, I think so. Bobby, that's your dog, buddy. Look at there. Dan. Right here. Right there.
Whoa. Whoa.
You got him.
Whoa.
He's down over there.
Whoa.
I know she hadn't got the bird yet, but I just turned on the camera. There she is. She's smelling him. And then Dan's gonna go up there.
Whoa.
She's not sure yet. Yeah, let her find him.
Find it. Yeah.
I don't know exactly where he is.
Bird now. Bird. Bird.
I think it's between her and us. Huh.
Bird in here, bird.
Maybe, Bob.
Bird! Come! Come on! She pointing?
I don't know. Maybe that bird.
Hey, she got her. She ran it up. Right on. Oh, gone you. Whoa!
Huh. She's pointed right up here. There she is. There's the bird. Good girl.
Whoa! Whoa!
Whoa, baby. Good shot, Dan. Wing and shot, y'all. Look at that. Beautiful. Go ahead, girl. Dead bird. Dead bird. Dead bird. The wing and shot. She retrieves the bird. Isn't that wonderful? She gave it to Bob. There's Dan with a gun. Dan made a great shot. Oh boy, that's just great. Okay, she's pointed right up here. There's a lot of water down in here. Had a big rain. River's up. But this is a good place to hunt. Still, it's dry enough.
Shot. You can retrieve it if you can.
Okay. That means we got to hit them.
Yeah. Hold on.
There she is, steady, steady. Well, I think there's two here, isn't there? That's one down there. Deft.
Whoa. Whoa. Whoa.
She's steady right there. It's just beautiful. Beautiful girl.
Go there. Go there. Go ahead.
Great. Hey now, y'all, I want you to, if you can see that little pile of pine straw right straight in front of me, and the dog's way back here. That shows you what a nose she's got. Beautiful. Just beautiful. Great. Golly. Can't do much better. I'm going to be on your right here. Oh, I see the bird walking. Yeah.
Whoa. Whoa.
Look at there, y'all. Steady the wing and shot. We don't have any dog that'll do that.
Whoa. Dead bird.
Good shot, man. Good shot. Now we're going to see her retrieve here. She's on him. She saw the bird.
Come. Come. Come on. Come on. Come on, baby.
Here she comes.
Come on. Come. Come on.
That's what you would call a
Come
complete.
on. Bring it to Sammy. That's okay. Come on. Come on, baby.
That's what you would call a
Come on,
complete
come on.
dog.
Put it in my hand. Put it in my hand. That'll do.
Lord, Bob. I wish you were here to see it, man.
Find him now, bird. Bird man move.
Yeah, may have. She looks like she's winding. She's winding. I don't believe he is either, Bob. But there's the pile.
Okay.
I see him.
Sammy.
Well, Ronnie,
Ronnie, yeah.
okay, she's kind of pointed here, but not as steady as she's been. Then it looks like she's pretty close. The birds usually go to the left, so I'm gonna get over here so I'll be out of your way. Good girl.
Whoa.
Good shot.
All right, whoa, Bree. Whoa,
Good.
whoa, baby. Whoa.
She's holding wing, steady the wing and shot. Look at her. She saw that bird over here.
Let it go now.
Okay.
Careful, careful, careful. Careful. Go ahead. Careful. Whoa. Right here somewhere.
Right around that pine.
Whoa. Whoa.
She's
That
standing.
hit, wasn't it?
I'm not sure.
I think I dropped a few feathers out on me, one real solid here.
Whoa.
Good girl.
Go ahead.
This is that bird that we just shot at. This is all water and stuff. She came over here and got on him. Yeah, he's dead.
She has him, boss.
Come! Come, Bree, come! You may not come in this minute. Come on, come!
She's trying.
Come!
Good girl.
Come on! Come! Come, Bree! Come!
She can't figure out how to get here.
Come, Bree! Come!
Okay, there's another point.
Whoa!
And Dan's gonna get both of these. She's doing great. Look at her. All right, can you believe it?
Whoa now. Whoa now. Whoa now.
Steady the wing and shot, y'all. Not many bird dogs can do that.
Dead out here, dead. That one go down? Yes.
That is a cigar for Dan. One of them is right out here. Is a dead bird.
Dead bird.
Would be-
Atta girl.
She got him.
Come! Bree, come! Come! Come here. Come here. Come. Bree, come. Come.
She's trying to hide him. That was good.
Atta girl. Good girl.
Good girl, Bree. Good girl, baby. Got another point here by Miss Bree. And Bobby just got a double, and his head is so swollen, he can't hardly hold his head up. Right in front of her, about 4 feet, is a clump. You dropped a leg on him.
Whoa, Bree. Whoa, Bree. Whoa.
And you want to try to work out in there, any? Or let's go get this
one. Why don't we get that deal?
Okay. Okay.
Come on. Dead bird. Dead. He got up.
He got up.
Watch it, watch it, watch it.
He's somewhere over by that pine.
Come!
Past that pine. Yeah.
Huh.
Okay, now this is another set of birds. Dan had to go get some shells. He's shooting everything he's got, which is good. That's what we want him to do. That's what we're here for. But that's good. I think she's a lot better when you're close.
Yeah.
Than if she points way over there. I don't know what it is about that.
Temptation.
Temptation. Do not lead me into temptation, but deliver me from evil. Dan, right. You see him?
I think so.
Okie dokie. Let us go. There's another one. Oh, he's gone. She held though. Good job. I think she does a great job at watching the bird.
She does that.
I mean, she is really good about that.
Dead bird. Come on, come.
She's got him.
Come. Come on. Come on, baby. Come on.
Bobby,
come on.
This is your dog, man.
Come on.
Look at this.
Come on.
This is good
on,
as gold.
Come on.
You're a professional trainer, Bobby.
Come on.
Look at this.
Come on.
I'm telling you, as good is good. Thank God. What a wonderful thing. Let's go, baby. We put up the good dog, Bree, and we got out two real sorry dogs. Annie has really been crippled the last few days. Her other night she had a encounter with something in the yard, and she's been, hey, come up. Lucy, bird in here, baby. Bird in here now. Bird in here. Bird in here. That bird's somewhere right in there.
I thought so too.
Careful. Bird. Bird, Annie. Bird, Lucy. Come back in here. Whoa now. Whoa now.
That's a pretty point.
Let me see if I can get my...
Oh yeah.
Maybe the bird will hold. Oh, baby. Annie. 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 Hey, Annie. Come in here. Whoa, Lucy. Whoa, baby. Good girl. Annie. Whoa, good girl.
There we go. Going in the back.
Okay. Is Bob gonna come shoot with you? I don't even have a gun. Kick him up and get him, Dan. He's somewhere right there. Oh, baby, good girl. Good Lucy. Good girl. Here he is, Dan, right there. Whoa, baby. Whoa. He may not can go because you may have gotten him.
I must have hit him a little bit. I don't know.
Put him down, she'll get him. Get ready. Dead, Lucy, dead.
Good.
Come on, Annie. Good girl. Good girl. That's a good girl. Let me have him. No, no. Come on, Annie. Annie, come on. I got him. Annie. Annie, come on. Dead bird.
She's going, I didn't hear a gun shoot.
Dead bird. Dead, Annie. Dead. Yeah, she don't know what to think of that, does she? Dan, my dogs are not flashy, but I love them so much. God,
Man, what's be prettier than that? Right?
I don't know, but I'm going to get a picture.
2 dogs on full point. And Sammy, we're not too close to that house. I can still shoot.
No, 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 no. You can shoot anywhere you want to here. The road is right there behind us. And I don't think the birds will go ahead. Good. Dead bird. Dead bird. Bring him on. Now, Dan, I thought there were 2, but I'm not sure. Maybe there's just 1. Come on, Lucy. That's a good girl. Good girl. That's a baby. Bring me the bird. Good Annie. Good Lucy. Good girls. I think we just put 1. Give him to me. That's a good... Give him to me. I'm going to get way in front and try to take a picture of them. You go ahead behind, and then I'll walk back out, okay?
Oh, okay, sure.
But if the bird gets up, I'm going to get down.
Okay.
You go ahead. Whoa now. Whoa. Whoa, babies. Whoa now. Okay. All right. Get in there and get them, Dan. I think my camera's on. Hope it is. She's looking, see where she's looking? Go up that way. All right, I don't know if he can get up or not, Dan. I think you, yeah, no. Good girls. Way to go, Lucy. Good girl. Good girl, Annie. Thank you, baby. Thank you. He's gone now. Way to go. Good girl. Okay, this is Annie by herself. She's right here. Hope Dan can get this one so you can retrieve it, Annie. Okay, go ahead, Mr. Dr. Dan. There's a bird out there walking. Good, Annie. Whoa. Whoa, Annie. Whoa, girl. Good Annie. Good girl. Good girl. Shoot. Come on, baby. Sorry, bird. Maybe he'll go. Good, good. Dead bird, Annie. Dead bird, girl. He was sorry. Dead bird, Annie. Dead. Dead, Annie. Get him. Dead. He's dead. He's dead. Go ahead. Get him, baby. Get him. He's dead. Dead bird. Dead bird. Dead bird. Dead bird, Annie. Dead. Dead bird. Dead. Dead bird. Okay, come on. Come here. Hey, good girl. That was good, old girl. I'm proud of you. Very good. Let me have it. Okay. We put up Annie
Bird
and
in
Lucy,
here.
and now we've got
Whoa. Whoa.
Cora, which is on the right here,
You hadn't seen him yet.
and there is Spook in there pointing.
Bird in here.
We're trying to work with her
Bird in
backing,
here.
and I don't think she ever saw him.
Bird in here.
But we're gonna get it. I think she
Cora.
smells a little bit of bird, but we're gonna see.
Cora, come.
Now you know there's that bird went up that way. We may. What
Bird in here. Bird in here. Bird in here.
Spook.
Come.
That is beautiful, Spook.
She hadn't seen him yet. Hold up just a second. Whoa. That's it. Oh.
Yeah, that's.
Whoa. Whoa.
Dan, let me get a picture.
Whoa.
Dan. Okay.
She's right on top of it.
Okay, Dan. She's pretty close.
Pretty close. Whoa.
Get him, Dan. He went out of him now. He didn't like these pines.
He didn't go all that far.
No, he's up there by that down tree.
Because she's not going to be able to see him. Whoa!
That is Spook.
Whoa.
Spook came up here and found this bird. It's one of those birds that got away from us. Coral went by him and smelled the bird and stopped.
Whoa!
I guess I could get up there and help him. It's got to be up here. That Spook, he knows.
There you
Ha! This is Cora. She's been down here pointed a while we were pooting around with Spook. And this is the last bird, I think. So Bob has got her under control and Dan's fixing to get the bird.
Whoa!
Good deal.
Dead bug. Dead bug.
Good, Cora. Very good. We ain't got